Today we're going to learn about las tiendas especiales. So if you're ever traveling to a Spanish-speaking country, you're going to come across these specialty stores. They do have supermercados, they have centro comerciales, but a lot of times smaller towns and cities will have specific stores for specific items. Most of these end in the word eria. So this helps you to recognize, oh, this is a type of store. And then if you look at the part that goes in front, it will help you guess what it is that they sell there. So we're going to watch this video. Pay attention. They're going to mention two specialty stores. See if you can guess what they sell.
Hola, ¿a dónde vas? Voy a la panadería. ¿Qué vas a comprar? Voy a comprar pan. Pan. ¿Quién es el señor? Es el panadero. ¿Cuánto cuesta el pan? Cuesta 2 euros. Euros. Hola, ¿a dónde vas? Voy a la heladería. ¿Qué vas a comprar? Voy a comprar helado. Helado. ¿Quién es el señor? Es el heladero. ¿Cuánto cuesta el helado? Cuesta 2 euros. Euros.
Okay, bien. All right, so let's look ahead then. So la heladería, this is where you would buy helado. Notice how it has the part of the word helado in the beginning, and you'll have these all over different countries that speak Spanish. Panadería, this sells pan. Sometimes it will also sell postres, dulces, galletas, pasteles, tortas, or you may be able to buy those at a specialty, like a pastelería would be more specifically for sweets, okay? So it just depends. Each place is going to be a little different. Carnicería, of course, this is where you're going to buy your meat, like a butcher shop. Pescadería, this would be where you buy your fish, like a fish market. Frutería, this is where you would buy frutas or verduras, vegetales. So notice it has the word fruta in it. Lechería, this is where you would get leche, queso, mantequilla. The taquería, this is where you would buy tacos. And you'll see these all over Mexico or in parts of the United States where they have Mexican food. See? Floristería. Floristería is where you would buy flores, like a florist shop. See? Librería. This is where you would buy libros or books. This would be like a bookstore. So this is different than a biblioteca because at the biblioteca, the libros are gratis, right? You can just check them out for free, but in a librería, you would have to pay for them, see? Juguetería, this is where you would get juguetes or juegos, things that you play with. So a toy store, see if there's a specialty toy store. Lavandería, we talked about this the other day with our Spanglish conversation. Lavandería, this is where you lavar la ropa, see? Zapatería, this is where you buy zapatos, so a shoe store. Papelería, this is be like a stationery store where you get papeles if you're doing like scrapbooking or you want to get like tarjetas that you want to give to like cards for cumpleaños or la Navidad, anything having to do with stationery or paper, see? La joyería, this would be for joyas, which is jewels. So a jewelry store, see? La peluquería, this is where you would get your hair done. So a peluca literally means wig, but a peluquería, this is like a beauty salon. So you would get your pelo, maybe you'd get your nails done, maybe, you know, different beauty types of activities, see? All right, so we're going to do some actividades with this in class to help you guys practice these different tiendas especiales. Adiós.